So when we go through any kind of change or improvement in an organization, it's really important to consider how people are going to react, how people are going to, whether they're for the change or against it. People are going to resist or people are going to embrace this. So you've only got so much time and energy in any day, okay? Making changes is not always easy. So if we imagine an organization as what we call a diamond model, where you have 20% of people who are really positive and really embrace the change. 60% of people are fairly neutral. They don't really know if they like it or not, but they're on the fence. And then you've got 20% who are negative, who will actively resist change. So given your energy, your resources, where do you think you should focus all your time and energy?
Should be positive.
Positive?
Maybe towards negative, to bring them towards positive.
Okay, good. Different opinions. In my experience, don't focus there, okay? You will spend all your time and energy, and if you're lucky, you might get 2-3% just to transfer to the neutral, okay? Meanwhile, all these positive people are thinking, hang on, all the negative people, they're all getting all the attention. And I'm the one driving this, I'm the one championing this, and I'm getting ignored. So it's really important that we recognize and celebrate those people. Super important, because they will help drive the whole organization forward. Now, what do you do about these neutral guys? What are you going to do with them?
Try and drive them to be positive as role models.
Exactly. Build them up, don't push them down. So what happens is here, we need to engage with them and encourage them, upskill them, whatever we need to do. These people will actually help you. Yeah, you give them the recognition and celebrate their success. They're going to help drive these people up because they're going to talk to their peers. They're going to, no, come on, this is really good. These people are going to see those people getting recognized. And what happens with these people, they have a choice, okay? They will either say, okay, well, we'll at least not resist this change. Probably never going to get them up to the positive, but you're going to say, at least we'll come to the point where we'll just go along with it, okay? Some of these people will probably exit the organization. Because if you're making a real big cultural shift, and they don't like it, then they're not going to be happy there, okay? They're not bad people, they're just not suited to the organization you're trying to build, okay? So what can we do then to engage more with these neutral people? What do you think we could do? Any ideas?
If you celebrate the positive people, it'll make them aspire to be like them.
Exactly, yeah. So we can celebrate these people, but we can also start to invest a little bit in building these people up, building their skills up. And this is where we move on to something we call the team capability curve. Now, any team, if you want them to be really embracing of improvement, you need to move them from dependent, and that is teams which you are directing, you're telling them what to do, you're telling them, you do this, you don't do anything else. Dependent teams, they need a lot of your attention as leaders. What we want to move them up through is to make them become more participative. So this is where teams will go, how can we help? How can we improve? You move them then towards capable. Now capable teams will go, I know how to improve. Okay, so I'm going to go and do it. But what you really want, the kind of gold standard of improvement teams, and this is how you get these neutral people to be super positive, is to turn them into self-directed teams. Now self-directed teams will, they'll be able to analyze and understand a problem, determine the root cause, fix that root cause, but even more than that, they will then share and train each other. So they really become kind of autonomous in what they do. So this is how you move these neutral people to positive by obviously, as you say, recognizing everything they're doing, but giving those people the skills, the organizational capability to move up, to enable you to shift that line down and make your organization a positive change culture.